Hi, it's Tony, and thanks for coming back to the Brown Dog Promos channel on YouTube. We want to show you some stuff here today for a group that we've done before. If you've seen some of my other videos, you might recognize the name Robo Rebels. It's a robotics team for a local high school here in Massachusetts. And this is their 10th anniversary. So we helped them celebrate it by printing these beautiful shirts of different types. This is a hooded sweatshirt. We did some adults and some youths because the families really get involved in this, so they want even the little kids that are attending to feel like part of the team. The sweatshirts only have the logo on the front, but when you go over here to the t-shirts, this will show you the back. Same logo on the front for the t-shirts, but we want to show off the sponsors, the people that support this great program for the Robo Rebels and getting kids interested in robotics. So everybody makes a contribution. They get their name on the t-shirts. We also had some nice team wear for the kids that wanted jackets. These are nice nylon running jackets with some contrasting inserts, blue and white here. And it's a nice little white along the zipper there too. It's a full zip. Has zippered pockets as well there on the side. But this logo was embroidered differently, obviously, than the silkscreen. But we replicated it a little bit, put the dates in there, 22 to 2012. Came out beautiful. A bunch of the kids wanted their names on there too, so we did that. We could have done block letters. These are script, obviously. So, nice jacket that'll zip right up and keep them cozy, running between buildings and whatever else they got to do. We also found out they wanted to take care of their mentors, so we made up a few special pieces with the mentor name on it. Again, we embroidered it with the logo. And this is a really nice, heavy-duty, it's a zip sweatshirt, but it's got a beautiful fleece lining to it. Has some contrasting stitches, so they'll look as cool as the kids. A couple of nice big pockets. The nice little surprise in this pocket is when you open it, there's a little pocket inside with some Velcro that you can put, I don't know, a wallet, some money, maybe a cell phone or your iPod will fit in there. So that's nice and special for the people that really do a lot of work, the unsung heroes, the mentors. And down here at the bottom, we also ran off a couple of these blankets. These are fleece blankets. They roll up. They come with a little carrying strap here. We embroidered the same logo that's on the jackets, and that'll keep them warm in the stands. And a good fundraiser, too. A lot of this stuff is, used for awareness and showing off the team, but if a group needs to raise money, this is a great way to help your club get the money it needs for a trip, equipment, new classes, whatever they need to do and raise funds for, keep things going. Sportswear and other things we do make great fundraisers. I want to show you one business-to-business thing. Here's a client of ours called Facilis, and they buy these nice wicking t-shirts. These are lightweight, look great embroidered, and they're good to wear at a trade show or around the office when you're moving around. We even embroidered on the back with their sister company called TerraBlock. We just did that up in the little, instead of the left chest, right chest, we went on the back here, right in between the shoulder blades. So, thanks again for stopping by. If you know someone that needs help with sportswear, promotional products, recognition gifts, fundraising, client thank yous, have them give us a call. Toll free, 866-729-8337. You can see us online. Hey, we're on LinkedIn. Check us out. We get lots of good referrals there. And we have a Facebook page, Brown Dog Promos. Go on and like it. Like this page. Make comments. Come back. Tell us what's good, what's bad. And if you need help with anything, just let us know. Thanks again, folks, for watching. This is Tony signing out.